In this part, we want to show the information that we just add to the file store in the previous part. And you already see that we have the latest message, and this is the dummy message, so we can go to the chat and delete that one. So we go to the chat.js and delete this and change this to empty string. And we also can now show the timestamp. And first we want to check whether it has timestamp, because if they do not start any chat, there will be no timestamp. So we check if there's timestamp. We are going to format the timestamp, and we change it to date, and then we format to local time. Otherwise, we just place empty string. And now we save it and see whether we can successfully add the timestamp. Now it already has the time of 9:32 p.m. and this is also a dummy time because we just used a JSON data. So we go to the chat content, and under this, instead of just typing 3 hours, we are going to use the moment, and we type friend.last seen, and then we also need to change to date and then dot from now, and we also import the moment on the top. So now we can see we have the latest message, the time, and also the active time.